Have you ever wondered what it would be like to wake up and see your money has grown while you slept? Can you imagine freeing yourself from the anxiety of bills and unexpected expenses? Envision a world where investing isn't just for those in suits and ties on Wall Street, but for you from the comfort of your home. Today, we're not discussing dull theories or financial plans that require a dictionary to understand. We go straight to the point with investment strategies so simple, yet so powerful, they'll transform the way you think about money. Forget everything you thought you knew. It's time to discover how smart investing can be as easy and accessible as clicking a button. So, adjust your seat, take notes, and get ready for change. Because what you're about to hear could be the first step toward your financial freedom. Did you know the biggest financial stumble isn't investing in the wrong place, but not investing at all? Yes, you heard right. Keeping your money hidden, waiting for the perfect moment, can cost you years of growth. Time is your most valuable ally when it comes to multiplying your savings. Think about it. What's the use of having your money stagnant in a bank account that offers less interest than the inflation rate? And what about needing a fortune to start? Investing is democratic. You can start with what a night out at the movies would cost you. But here's the real trick, something novices overlook: diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket looks like the next big thing. And here's the simple solution that makes a difference. Start small, but start now. Use investment platforms that allow you to begin with minimal amounts. Choose funds that spread the risk and are easy to understand. The financial market is full of options for even the greenest investor to become a financial growth guru. So the next time you think about tucking that extra away under the mattress, remember, a small step today can mean a giant leap for your finances tomorrow. It's time to make your money work for you, instead of you working for it. Let me introduce you to the magical world of passive income, where your money gets to work for you, and you can keep relaxing or chasing your passions. It's not a fairy tale, it's a reality for those who make compound interest work in their favor. Have you heard about it? It's the secret force behind some of the world's greatest fortunes, and it's within your reach. Let's start with dividend-paying stocks. You don't need to be the Wolf of Wall Street to benefit from the profits of the world's largest and most stable companies. Invest in companies with a history of regularly paying their shareholders and watch how those payments can grow over time. Imagine receiving checks periodically just for owning a small piece of a company. Yes, it's that simple. Now, let's talk about real estate. It might sound like a big capital game, but thanks to collective investment, you can now have a slice of the real estate pie with much less than what a property costs. And the best part, without the midnight calls to fix a broken pipe. And let's not forget the digital world. Cryptocurrencies and crowdfunding platforms are opening doors many didn't know existed. Cryptocurrencies, for example, can be volatile, but they're the modern frontier of investment. I'm not telling you to bet the farm on digital coins, but a small, well-researched investment could yield astonishing results. Of course, all of this sounds great, but it requires a strategy. The key is consistency and patience. Investing regularly in different assets that generate passive income can build a constant stream of revenue that grows and grows. And the best part? Once you set it up, it requires little maintenance. You can adjust your strategy over time, but the bulk of the work is done. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of compound interest. The investments that make you rich while you sleep are not a myth. They're a well-planned reality, and you can be part of it. Now, dive with me into the hidden world of investment strategies that have been jealously guarded by millionaires. It's time to lift the veil and expose how the truly rich make their money grow in silence. First up, value strategy. The smartest investors look for undervalued companies, those undiscovered gems that have massive growth potential. It's not just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the true value of a company and committing to it long term. These investors often go against the grain. investing when others are fearful and selling when everyone else wants to buy. This is how they stay ahead of the game. Next, let's talk about emerging markets. Yes, they can be volatile, but with volatility comes opportunity. Did you know some of the biggest investment returns have come from countries right on the cusp of economic growth? It's a bold move, but diversifying a portion of your portfolio into emerging economies can make a monumental difference in your long-term returns. Another tactic is investing in specialized sectors, such as technology, healthcare, or renewable energy. Millionaires often look for industries at the forefront of innovation or those set to benefit from long-term global shifts, like an aging population or the move towards cleaner energy.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
An interesting investment strategy is value averaging, also known as value averaging. Unlike dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of stock prices, value averaging is a bit more dynamic. This approach can help you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, potentially resulting in a lower average cost per share over time than with dollar-cost averaging. However, it requires more attention and active management, and it's not immune to risks, especially in highly volatile markets where the capital required to invest and reach the goal can increase significantly. But here's the real secret. It's not just about where you put your money, but also how you structure it. Tax optimization, for instance, might not sound as exciting as buying stocks or crypto, but it can make a huge difference in your net returns. Millionaires use investment accounts that minimize taxes to maximize their gains. Don't forget these words. Knowledge is power. Millionaires constantly educate themselves, stay informed about market changes, and adjust their strategies accordingly. It's not about having a stroke of luck. It's a long-term commitment to learning and adapting. So take this knowledge and use it wisely. Your future millionaire self will thank you. Now, it's time to tear apart some of the biggest, most persistent myths surrounding investing, those tales that might stop your steps toward financial freedom. Myth number 1. You need to be a finance genius to invest. Far from the truth. Sure, the jargon might sound complicated, but at its core, investing is about simple principles like buying low and selling high, understanding risk and return, and maintaining diversification. There are tools and resources that simplify these concepts to the point where anyone, yes, anyone, can become a savvy investor. The second myth is the classic, investing is only for the wealthy. This might have held some truth in the past, but now, in the digital age, investing is more accessible than ever. With a few clicks, you can start with amounts that won't empty your pockets. The entry point to begin your investment journey has never been so low or so easy to reach. A third myth we love to exaggerate: investing is like gambling. While there are elements of risk, of course, investing is based on making informed and calculated decisions, not luck. By applying research, analysis, and strategy, you can significantly reduce risks and increase your chances of success. And finally, the myth that the market is too volatile now to invest. Here's the truth. The market will always have ups and downs, always. Waiting for the perfect moment to invest is like trying to predict the next rainfall in the desert. Instead, consistent investing over time, known as dollar-cost averaging, allows you to navigate volatility and can be one of your greatest advantages. By debunking these myths, you arm yourself with the truth. Investing is within everyone's reach, doesn't require a fortune to start, and is not a game of chance, but a game of strategy and knowledge. So, Don't let these tales keep you out of the game. Your path to wealth is clearer than you think. You've traveled the path from common mistakes to high-secret investment strategies and debunked the big financial myths. You're now armed with knowledge many wish they had but don't seek. This is the moment to make a decision. Will you follow the known path or take control of your financial future? If you're ready to make your money work for you, to wake up with more in your account than you had when you went to sleep, the time to act is now. Don't let inaction be the barrier between you and your financial goals. Start small, yes, but the important thing is to start. And if this video has given you even a spark of inspiration, click like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more content that will transform the way you view and manage money. Remember, every great journey begins with a step, and every great fortune begins with an investment. Take that step today. Share this video with someone you think it could help, and let's discuss in the comments below. Which of these strategies will you implement first? Don't wait for opportunities to knock on your door. Open it yourself, and get ready, because what's coming is even bigger and better. Until next time, where we'll continue building the path to your financial success.